treat, treat. Very small one for you, and let's find another small one for Molly. Molly, another small one for you. Well, one. Okay, so they both have 3 treats now. Now they're just licking off my fingers from the treat dust. I love this little jar. It's so cute. Sorry. I don't know whose food dish is whose, so I'm just gonna say that this one is Molly's. Molly, nope, go. Sorry, you can't eat right now. Molly? Nope, that one's yours, yes. And we need to taste them and put some back for Mable, since you ate some of hers. There we go. Good kitties. There you guys go. I'll be right back, kitties. Okay, unlike my cat, they save like half of their food for later. What you doing? She always does this right when I turn on the water. And then when I turn it off, she plays with the plug to try to get the water to keep coming. She's funny. And then sometimes she'll start to the soap bubbles and the water out of the bottom. So that's when I'll shoo her away. And then I'll make sure that they're off. A lot of times they go crazy for the laser, and I will put a clip of that after this one. So here's Mable. Did you guys see that? That's what she did before. And look at it zigzagging. Isn't, there goes Molly. Did you see those jumps though? Funny kitties. The laser here and watch Mable. Did you see Molly, the gray one there? She like jumped fully up the wall. And watch them go, watch them zigzag. They still like the old game of the shoelace. Molly, no. Molly. Also, Molly came up here when I turned on the tap. When it was running out like that, she started drinking from it, and it was so cute. Even though they have water down there. I guess they just like fountains more. Then after some playtime, cuddles and hugs, then it is time for me to go. So I shut everything off and double check everything is shut. Alright, goodbye Mable. Goodbye Molly. I'll see you tonight, okay? I'll be back at nighttime. And then you guys can see my nighttime vlog of caring for the cats. Goodbye you two. See you both tonight. Then I make sure that the door is really shut. Then I go. And again, special thanks to one of my uncles for letting me care for his cats for a few days, morning and night.